Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to use a piece of string to replace the door handle on a Mark III Ford Mondeo. This is a simple job that can be done in 5 minutes, including the 3 minutes and 18 seconds it takes to find the string. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, step 1 is to open the door. Next, peer to the side of the handle for a rubber cap, specifically that one there. Now grab a plastic prying tool and remove the cap, just like that. And now we can see a bolt underneath. That bolt needs to be loosened but not removed. And for that we need a Torx bit, specifically a T15. So let's loosen that bolt to about there. Now the bolt's loose, we can pull back the handle and hold it and then pry off this piece of trim. There we go. We can now remove the handle itself. To do so, slide it in this direction towards the back of the car, like so, then lift it out from this end, and finally from this end. Fitting the new door handle is harder than removing the old one, and that is why we need the string. To fit the new handle, first poke this end into that hole in the door, just like that, and then have a good look at the other end. Here we have this L-shaped piece of plastic, the tip of which needs to hook behind a piece of metal in that hole. Specifically is this piece of metal here. The problem is that the metal is positioned in such a way that we can't hook the handle behind it. We're therefore going to grab the string, make a loop like that, hook the loop around the metal, pull the metal into position, and then we'll be able to refit the handle. Hopefully. So let's have a go. Well, it's very dark in there. We could do with a torch. There we are, the metal is hooked, so when we pull the string and hold it, the metal moves to the right place, and we can push in this end of the handle, like so, then slide it towards the front of the car. There we are, we can now release pressure on the string, check the handle works, which it is, and now we can pull the string out the way. We're nearly finished now. All we have to do is replace this trim, tighten the bolts, and cover the bolt with its cap, which I've just dropped down here somewhere and can't find. Can you see it? Any ideas? Can't have gone far. There it is. And that's how to replace the door handle on a Ford Mondeo using a piece of string. Do you think string can fix that chair as well? Maybe, you never know. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.